In this video, I'll show you how to highlight an object in CapCut on PC. Let's use this video as an example. First, duplicate the video clip and place the copy on the layer above the original. With the duplicated clip selected, go to the right panel and click Adjustments. Next, select Curves under the Adjustments tab. Modify the Luma curve by dragging the upper points to the left to brighten the video. Go to the Video Mask tool. Choose a shape and adjust its size to cover the object you want to highlight. Click on the original video layer in the timeline. Drag the lower points of the Luma curve to the right to darken the background and enhance contrast. You can also adjust other color curves to add color tones to the highlighted area. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.